everyone, Summer Tour, and I am back with another video. Today I am home making some curry goat, dumpling, green banana and rye plantain. Stay tuned for the video. Alright, don't go nowhere. Tanya right here, so I'm gonna teach you how to make some good Jamaican ground food. Alright, and some dumpling, okay? Alright, so the kitchen did need like a cleaning up and them little stuff there. So me I go and wash up them here and clean up before me start and me introduce. Okay, so alright, so first I'm gonna show you guys my seasons. I'm gonna do a voiceover for the video, so I won't be able to speak right through the video because that's gonna take too long. I'm gonna wash my mutton with lime, alright? Don't forget to wash your mutton good. Cause you know the meat have to clean. Alright. So I'm gonna put my lemon right here. These are my scallion, my thyme, the pepper, and the pepper not have to sour. Like literally the pepper hot. The pepper real hot, just the way all we need it to be. I don't put tomato into curry, so I'm not gonna put any tomato. I'm gonna put a lot of onion, and I'm definitely gonna go in with my garlic because I love a lot of ground seasoning. I'm gonna put a piece of ginger, even though the ginger you look dry up, but me still gonna find one like a piece for it to put. These are my seasoning. These are my all-purpose seasoning. This is my all-purpose seasoning. This is my jerk seasoning. My phone look lean. Why do my phone look lean? I'm gonna use this better pot curry that I got from the Jamaica store the other day. I did an all for that, but I don't post it as yet. So I'm gonna use this Jamaican curry because I've never bought any better pot curry from around there. Better pot are the best curry them, but I normally buy the pack carry up, but I'm kind of running low. These are the small packs that I normally buy, so I'm gonna try this and see if it works out just like this one. Alright, I'm not gonna put a lot of powder seasoning on my meat. This is my pimento, and basically that is all I'm going to put in my curry goat. Alright, so y'all stay tuned for the video. Make sure to like up the video and comment and share up and tell a friend to tell a friend. So I'm gonna go in right now and I'm gonna cut this and I'm gonna start get it together. I'm gonna cut them a little bit finer than how they are right now. So let me put the seasoning over the other side and get to have all this side for myself. So I go in and I cut this piece into two. So right here, so I cut up my little curry goat, clean it off, make sure I take off the waist skin and them type of stuff, then cut it off finer than it was because them cut it big. You know, I go wash up the meat with my lime and them little things and make sure so the meat clean. Listen to me, don't play with Jamaicans. When we wash meat, we wash off everything I fight. You hear that? That's the fact. So accidentally I had to call my little sister to see if she was okay and to invite her over for dinner. However, she's not in America right now, so whatever. So I went in and put in my curry. And this is my all-purpose season. I put in some of it and then I realized that I wasn't recording, so I was like, okay, so I'm gonna put some more. And at this point, I'm just seasoning up this mutton to get it cooked and all of these things. I don't know what going on with me from the other day, but I realized, say, I'm not put no salt in my food. I don't know, yeah, man, it come like me I get old or something. But right there, so you see me I cut up my onion because you don't know, so you have to put your onion in it. I really go for ground seasoning more than powder seasoning. So if it did up to me, I would have put all 3 stalks of scallion in the pot. But because of, you know, money purpose, money-wise, I just use this amount. But I like whole heap of ground seasoning for my meat. So, sorry. Right here, so I cut up my seasoning. I fix up my little self to done up my pot and stuff like that. What next am I gonna put in there? So say in order for your curry go taste all the nice and proper way, you need to season it from the night before. So don't be like me and season it on the day where you go and cook the food. Just season it the night before and make it marinate. But what I did was I actually seasoned it right here, and then I covered it and put it back in the fridge for a couple minutes. Then I came back and started to cook and whatever. I'm going to put in my scallion, I'm going to put in my onion, I'm going to put in my pepper, I'm going to put in my thyme, and I'm going to put in a lot of garlic. I love to use a lot of garlic in my food. I don't know why, but that's just me. I love to use a lot of garlic. That was some ginger. I was using some ginger. I have to use ginger in my curry. So here I go with the whole heap of pega garlic, Cuba, what do you call them? Clove garlic. Jamaicans say peg. So that's a 3 peg right there. So, and then one when I'm on, so that go make 4 peg. Alright. Me I rush and I move fast and them look at things because me say the phone full up and the phone maybe also won't stop video because me know I'm addicted to taking pictures of myself. So I have a whole heap of pictures in my phone, so my phone always are full up. That's so scary for me to be cutting the garlic like that in my hands because this knife is very sharp. I literally told my baby not to use this knife and not to wash this knife if he's washing dishes and he sees it. Don't wash it. Now my afi, put in my pimento and all these things. Hold on, my boss is here. Let me go let her in. I don't even remember what me that chat said like a while now because my boss come and I end up have to stop the voice over. But right here, so I do my little cleaning up back because say you have to clean up after. Meanwhile you do a little thing, you have to go and clean up and wash up the little things and them stuff because if you don't do that, the place will go full of dirty plate and something when you finish. So girl, I wash up and I clean up and them little things and I move around in our kitchen. She listen to music, and that is the good thing about voiceover because you get to listen to music anyway, right? That's something I'm going to show everything we're in the curry goat, and may I leave that for marinate and them little things about right. So now I'm put on my little gloves, wash my gloves and thing, and my kitchen very small, it's tiny bad. I never put in enough curry in there, so I have to go back for the better pack curry and put some more better pack in it. Oh my god, listen, better pack of the bodies, alright? Right, so now I come back and I go on with my thing. My son need a dumpling for me. I tell her say dumpling well need up sturdy and firm and nice with cornmeal in there that I'm my planting. This is my green banana. Don't play with a Jamaican girl. You hear me? I tell you, this is a queen in the kitchen. Just understand what I'm saying to you guys. The big buckler with some oil. I'm going to stop use the oil here and start back use olive oil. Olive oil is so expensive, but that's the best oil to use because this oil literally coming like it start burn my chest. And girl, I get old, so I'm not going to tolerate none of them there. Anyways, me have to burn my curry before I put in my mutton. So right there, so now I crush up some garlic for throwing in my oil. Yeah, because we have to throw like garlic in there. We can throw a piece of thyme in it too, but I just throw some garlic in it and stuff. So I'm going to throw in some garlic in the pot. What are they? I don't mean to look over. Wait. Yeah, I throw some garlic in the pot. So I'm going to throw in some curry and make the curry go and burn. So right there, so now I'm going with my mutton, right? I'm not showing the season as yet. Later on done in the segment. Then we see all of that excitement there. But right so I just take time to pick up my local mutton. I think that mutton I did need for curry more, like some whole heap more curry. But that too tingy with the season. Realize say my pot all start fresh because I just a tingy. Oh, I see that like a man body and there is my big son that because I don't want to say oh me a Christian and I have man over me yard. Even though man I go there over me yard even when me a Christian because I have to go date. Don't it? I not start yet but my soul start. Anyway, this video is not about that. Tamanta, you talk too much. So, season up my little ting and them little stuff there, and my curry in the pot I go and burn, and me I go and flick it round, make sure so the curry go brown up on all side and them little things there. Me come here and go in the kitchen like me a big bad chef. Me proud of me as a big woman. Everyone give me the story or me did die for turn big woman in time. I like a bit in the camera, never like when people chat to me, you know. Watch curry goats. Girl Salisha. I'm proud of you, girl. Girl, I'm proud of you can curry goat though. You know what about right here, so seasoning gone, you know, cause you know I'm cook down my curry goat until it's tender. And then I just show him a little chop up seasoning and them little things there. Right here, so now at the bun and cheese segment, kind of started the Easter sauce. So you know, say my son cut it in a cheese. I buy that in a cheese for him about 2 months ago. From January I buy that cheese for him. Yeah, from in January I buy that in a cheese. Come and say, me's a girl that broke sometime. So make sure I buy it and put it on and say, yeah, Easter. I have my cheese already. I only need 1 bun for me pick them some. Panda there, but just make him cut it in a cheese. I would just cut it up and put it in a them here and stuff, and then eat them butter and cheese. Yeah, me feel good. Right this for now, me take out a pot, cut a pot here, walk around in a pot here. Oh, I eat a sort of dumpling and the excitement are gonna take place. So I'm gonna put the dumpling and the ground food in here. So, girl, I get herself together, you know. Wash her and solicit to me. Put in the day in the kitchen. Make sure so now wash up on her hand and I go on the most. Anyway, separate from apart from that. And I'm going to talk how the girl look good in her one summer pot tour pendant. Yeah, man, it too show off. That's why I start that's why you have to go clean it up. But anyways, I could talk about your dress, girl. I could talk about your dress. Your dress look good, lady. Lady, your dress look real good. Your dress look good. You know, the lady pop off her tag for put on her nice, clean, pretty dress for come cook. Right here, so she'd have to sweep up but the salt and everything will drop on the ground because I know she go with her extra salt, but she had show salt like everybody don't know how salt look. But I say go when you're a content creator, sometimes you do till you do too much. You understand? So right there, so now I'm gonna sweep up back the place and them look at things are right there, so now I'm gonna drink up like a coconut juice, you know, so girl have to make sure her heart always clean off and pure off and them kind of things that may show. So I put in the rest of seasoning in the pot right there. So rest of seasoning are going right there. So I need a pot of start boil up for me get to do the 10,000 yard right there. So put in the good caramel dumpling in this. Hey, caramel dumpling thick. My son can need dumpling good, you know. Cold. Watch Grace. That's a lady, man. You know, lady, I need. Lady, no, you just set the wrong angle, girl. I never the angle you did for turn. Sometimes you don't know what to do until you see the camera in Grace. Jesus, the way oh you love camera. Need up your flower, man, and go out with your little self. I want me to talk to right this, so. Let me see. Come with the like for know what me did I do that, so. You know, me I need. I feel proud of myself, you see. I'm not telling a lie, it's a blessing to be a big woman. It is a blessing to be a big woman because some of we don't get to live to see a big woman stage. And me, boy, I'm not lie, I feel good. Right there, so now I spray up my little hand with the little olive oil. Yeah, because you know that like a Jamaican style where you tip like a, just tip like a oil in the pot. In the water where the banana go there, I tip like a oil pan here and that's it not stain up. I just peel your banana right there. So girl, you not fix good in the camera. You not do it good. Watch it, the banana drop out her and you know me think she go out and time she there in the kitchen as a big woman. I like it for you though, Grace. Big woman fit you. You did want to be big long time. You used to stuff up your clothes when time you're young. You used to stuff up your clothes with if you look like you have breasts. No, you have breasts till you have too much. I like the little dress the feel. The little dress that have a buzz. You have it about 4 years now. Go like you need to wear it. Proud of you, though, doll. Proud of you. Really, really proud of you. So right there, so now you know dumping it in a pot and some dumpling start boil up and thing. I'm gonna put in my ripe plantain right there so now and thing, and the banana did already gone in and stuff, and me I wash up my hand. Of course you know that, so me I wash up my hand, carry that go throw in the garbage bin right there, so forget we go dispose that when I finish. And so but upon the phone I don't even know who I talk to. That is my son. He hates the camera. I don't know why. My children, Jake want not hate the camera so bad, but Matthew behave like him ugly. Why Matthew always going like him ugly? And Matthew so pretty. Matthew is so sweet. Now it's dinner time, guys. It is dinner time. It is dinner time. So right here, so may I pray. I'm just anoint the food. I'm just give God thanks for that plate of food. I can remember days when time I did hungry. And so see the full final touch. See that curry down and be things. Anyways, you don't know, say your girl wants some tour, and I am super grateful if you made it this far in the video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and to tell a friend about your girl One Summer Tour's channel. Alright? See the dumpling them, they well solid. Banana, they tough like a rock. I never enjoy the banana.